In this lesson, we will discuss the process of titration. Titration is a form of analysis called volumetric analysis. It involves determining the concentration of one solution using a second solution with a known concentration. One of these solutions will be an acid, while the other will be a base, and their neutralization reaction will go to completion. To perform an acid-base titration, you must have a burette filled with the titrant solution, which has a known concentration. You must also have a flask containing the sample solution, which has an unknown concentration. You slowly release the titrant solution into the flask and let the two solutions mix. You continue to add the titrant until the endpoint is observed. This endpoint is achieved when the reaction completes and is usually indicated by a color change or a large change in pH. A common endpoint indicator is a pink color. Once the reaction has completed, the amount of titrant solution used, along with the equation of the neutralization reaction, can tell you what the concentration of the sample solution is.